Hi everyone, welcome to my new video. In this video I'm going to show you how to check any YouTube channel earning, and it will be accurate without any kind of hack or something else. So for doing this you have to use any kind of web browser. I'm going to use here Chrome browser, or you can use any kind of browser such Opera or something else. So this is my Chrome browser, you can see. Then click on Chrome, and you can see here at the top of the site search or type web address. So I'm going to search here a web address name social blade. You can find here in first social blade. You can see here that is social blade. So just click on social blade and it's loading. So you can see such kind of interface. Before going to the process, I'm gonna ask you something. If you're new here in my channel, please subscribe my channel, and don't forget to just press on like button and share with your friend. Next, what do you have to do? Just zoom it, and at the top of the right side you can see here that is YouTube search option. So I'm going to zoom in it, and you can see here that is enter YouTube username. So I'm going to enter any name. So I'm going to enter my channel name, Tech Done. Next, click on search. It's okay, and I got such kind of interface after searching. Now I have to select channel. So I'm going to zoom it again. So select channel, just click on it. A channel has been selected. You can see this is the channel, and again I'm going to zoom in it for seeing that is uploads video 52, subscriber 2/08, and video views, and country USA, and channel type or something else. Now how you can see that is, and you can see very deeply that is estimate monthly earnings. It can be that is $44 to $701. It is approximately. And also you can see here there is yearly earnings. So yearly earnings is 526 to 8 into 4K. It's okay.